Hi friends, I'm going to be showing you a very quick way to wash your bundles, your wigs or your bundles. So this hair, I loosed it from a wig to make a fresh one, and I just thought I should wash it before I recreate it. So it's just very simple. You don't need any tedious process. Go to your sink or pick up a bowl and fill it with warm water. I like my water to be a bit hot, and then I put my shampoo as much as I want. Put any shampoo of your choice and lay your hair. Make sure after you lose your old bundles, you get them untangled, combed, and arranged. It's just easy for you to manipulate and easy for you to walk around. Yeah. So if the shampoo is not enough, just add some more shampoo. You own it. Be very generous with your product because your hair needs it. It's going to come out really smile and smelling really nice. So after a while, I let the hair sit in the water, and this is what it came out to be. The dirt just popped out. Yeah. Then it's time for me to add my conditioner. So I just put, because I need to hold my phone up and everything, I applied a generous amount of conditioner. Even behind the scene, after dropping the phone, I added more conditioner to it. So I usually will add some drops of essential oil, I call it, or what? So regular oils that are like good ones to make your hair shine, and then I tie it in a bag so that the conditioner which you just added will sink into it. And what I usually do is my last tip, I try to in a very good bag and try to be airtight so water don't get in, and I fill up my sink with hot water. Now if it's not hot enough for you, you can take your process further. Boil water, keep it in a bowl and cover it. Yeah, so I left it in the water for hours and came back to wash my hair in a running tap. See how shiny it looks? But still all arranged in a bundle. Like the way I arranged it from the beginning, they're still all arranged and really tidy. So dry your hair in your preferred location. I just hung my hair on my hair dryer to allow it to dry quickly, separating each bundle. See how neat it looks? No tangling, no nothing. Easy to manipulate. So at the end of the day, I made a wig. I didn't show you the wig process, sorry. I made a wig and I curled it with a bending roller. This is what it looks like, and it came out really beautiful, shiny, and the owner of the wig loved it. It's actually my sister's hair, so she loved it. She loved what I've done with it. This hair has been uncommon for 5 years and it looks really good, really pretty. So now this is the finished look. See? So tell me if you're gonna try this technique, right? Leave a comment, save for later, and share this video if you found it useful. Bye guys.